ఒక డైరెక్టర్ సౌత్ నుంచి నాకు కాల్ చేసి పింక్ గురించి 1 hour మాట్లాడి, I mean I was very impressed with the fact that he wanted to discuss that film for so long, and he asked me to work on something with him, and at that time it did not happen, but I'm happy he came back to me. And when I read this script, immediately that same minute I called Shashi and I said, ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్ అయినా సరే ఐఎమ్ 100% డూయింగ్ దిస్, బికాస్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ టైమ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపెనింగ్. ఇలాంటి కాన్సెప్ట్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ నేను చూడలేదు సినిమాలో, ఇండియన్ సినిమాలో. వెరీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఆఫ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మేకింగ్, స్క్రీన్ ప్లే. ఐ థింక్ మా క్యారెక్టర్తో పాటు ఐ రియలీ లవ్ ద స్టోరీ స్క్రీన్ ప్లే ఆఫ్ ద ఫిల్మ్. మై క్యారెక్టర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో డిఫరెంట్ ఫర్ మీ, దట్ ఈస్ ఎక్సైటింగ్ అండ్ ఛాలెంజింగ్. కానీ క్యారెక్టర్తో పాటు ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ దట్ రియలీ హిట్ మీ హార్డ్ వాజ్ ద స్టోరీ అండ్ స్క్రీన్ ప్లే, విచ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ నాట్ రెడ్ ఇన్ ఎనీ హిందీ ఫిల్మ్ ఆల్సో సో ఫార్ దట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ రెడ్. అండ్ లాస్ట్ 2-3 years నుంచి నేను చాలా బాగా యాక్చువల్లీ వెరీ వెరీ వండర్ఫుల్లీ రిటర్న్ అండ్ థాట్ అవుట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఐఎమ్ హియరింగ్ ఇన్ హిందీ, బట్ దిస్ యాక్చువల్లీ టాప్స్ దెమ్. So I was like 100% sure, okay, I'm going to do this film. I hope you've all seen the trailer. Yeah, so we have shot this film in 2 languages, Tamil and Telugu. Every take of mine happened in Tamil and Telugu. When the film got ready, ఆ తర్వాత యాక్చువల్లీ రిలయన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ అందరూ చూసి దే ఫెల్ట్ దట్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్ ప్రాబ్లీ డిజర్వ్స్ అన్ ఫుల్ ఇండియన్ రిలీజ్, బికాజ్ ఒక రీజన్ సినిమా లాగా ఇట్ డజంట్ లుక్ లైక్ దాట్. కనపట్లేదు ఇలాంటి సినిమా వేర్ దే ఆర్ నో రీజనల్ బౌండరీస్. యాక్చువల్లీ యూ కెన్ వాచ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద ఎంటైర్ కంట్రీ విదౌట్ ఫీలింగ్ దట్ ఇట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ స్టేట్ ఆర్ దాట్ స్టేట్ ఆర్ విచ్ ఎవర్ స్టేట్. సో దే డిసైడెడ్ టు డబ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ హిందీ, అండ్ అనురాగ్ కశ్యప్ చూసారు ఆ సినిమా. I think me and Anurag together saw the film, and he was so impressed. He was like, I will take it to not just India but outside India also, because this film deserves to be seen everywhere possible, wherever we can. So this is it's a straight Telugu film for me now, after again for this year. So I hope people like it. So again I'll come back next year and do something new.
How challenging was it to play a character with wheelchair born, and top of it was being shot in 2 languages?
Yeah.
It took a toll on you?
Yeah, physically and mentally both. Physically, ఇప్పటి వరకు యాక్చువల్లీ ఫ్రాక్చర్ కూడా ఐ హ్యావ్ నాట్ గాటన్ ఈవెన్ ఫ్రాక్చర్డ్ ఇన్ మై లైఫ్. హెయిర్ లైన్ ఫ్రాక్చర్ ఆల్సో ఐ హ్యావ్ నాట్ గాట్. సో ఫర్ మీ టు హ్యావ్ బోత్ లెగ్స్ ఫ్రాక్చర్డ్ or wheelchair lo kuchi, I think I have never got that experience in my life, that help of someone to even walk or do anything. I have never been injured so bad in my life. So 60% of cinema nenu wheelchair lo unnanu, 60%. So for most of the action stuff, house invasion time, the entire shooting of house invasion is when I'm in the wheelchair. Now in that, lower body is like a extra burden. Now you have to handle your entire body with your upper body, so physically very demanding. 60-70% of cinema I'm in the wheelchair. And mentally kuda I play a trauma victim. Trailer lo actually you would have heard that anniversary reaction ఏంటంటే you have some big trauma or incident that happened, మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి 1 year తర్వాత you feel that you getting the same kind of reaction, body language reaction, mental reaction. Your body is reacting to that trauma, that accident that happened 1 year back. ఏ accident అని you'll see in the film, కానీ you'll get a thing that is a very big impact accident that happened to her, and she's mentally very disturbed about it. 1 year తర్వాత anniversary reaction start అయింది, because of which she is now mentally also more disturbed, physically also disturbed, and then house invasion happened. 35 days I have shot the film.
Because that you were on, to avoid the waste of time.
Yeah, I was very lazy. Actually, in the beginning it started off because of that, because I was very lazy. It used to take some half an hour, 40 minutes to put that leg cast, both the legs, and then remove it. It used to take another like 15-20 minutes or so. So I said my full lunch break will go in this only. So I thought I will do like this 12-14 hours, 1.5 shift we used to do according to our south shooting plan. Usually mamulga Hindi lo we are used to shooting 12 hours. Ikkada 12 hours is not one shift, lesser, like 8 hours is or 9 hours is a shift. So we had to shoot for 1.5 shift, 12 to 14 hours every day. For 25 days I was in wheelchair, 10 days without wheelchair, 35 days I shot the film, 37 days total shooting days for the film, and 2 languages, everything in double language.
We heard that this film was initially titled Mario.
Yeah, that was Ashwin's choice. Beginning, actually, first time when I read the script, also title was Mario.
Okay.
ఆ తర్వాత ఐ డోంట్ నో ఏం మారింది, వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్, వాట్ చేంజ్డ్, ఐ డోంట్ నో, బట్ దే డిసైడెడ్ గేమ్ ఓవర్.
Film after film, you have been, you're carrying the film on your own shoulders in any language that you have been doing all this. So, how are you handling this? Are you feeling more confident?
Actually, options are దొరకలేదు. I have to carry the film on my shoulder because I'm getting these kind of films. Good thing is I am not complaining. I like these films. My directors are brilliant. The directors I'm getting to work are brilliant, and for me they are my big heroes because they actually are the captain of the ship. Cinema is a director's medium, I feel. Everybody else is tools, actors and all andru one tool. It's a director's medium. So for me, always it was important who my director is. At least since last 5-6 years, I've only been interested in knowing who my director is. So that's why this is very critical. Actually, starting lo movie, when I was reading the script and even shooting time lo kuda, I never thought that it's solo heroine, solo protagonist, and very big responsibility, pressure and all. Actually, అలాంటి ఫీలింగ్స్ లేదు ఆ టైంలో. కానీ ఆ ఫస్ట్ పోస్టర్ రిలీజ్ చేస్తే తాప్సీ ఇన్ గేమ్ ఓవర్ అలాంటి ఆ తమిళ్లో, హియర్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ దేర్, ఇన్ తమిళ్ ఇస్ దేర్, తాప్సీ ఇన్ గేమ్ ఓవర్. దాట్ రియలీ gave me a little bit of stress. I've never seen my name on poster like that. Hindi lo, we usually don't put name there on the poster. Even in my title role in Shabana, they didn't have my name as on the poster. So this was very scary. And then they said 3 languages. ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను యాక్చువల్లీ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ అండ్ హ్యాపీ అండ్ లక్కీ అని ఐఎమ్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ 3 languages at the same time, and I'm extremely proud that my audience knows me in 3 languages. కానీ ఇది రియల్ టెస్ట్. Now let's see if people really know you. So yeah, now I'm getting a little nervous closer to the release. Initially I was very relaxed.
Tapsi, over the years, have you become a better judge of a script?
Yeah, I think so, sir. Because in the beginning, I didn't know what cinema is, what acting is, and I was very honest that I don't know how acting is in the beginning. I used to tell people I'm ready to learn, but I don't know what it is. So slowly when I learned, I made mistakes. I learned I did not repeat my mistakes. That's how I started judging. Ippudu I decide a script. Vinnappudu I think that will my audience spend their hard-earned 200-300 rupees to watch this film in the theatre, or any film of mine which I am reading? Is it worth their hard-earned money to watch it in theatre, or is it worth their time? Malli, I don't think they can get the time back. They can get the money back, but they will never be able to get that time, 2-3 hours that they're spending on my film. So I want to make sure it's worth it, because I don't think today people have time. They can sit and watch on Netflix and wherever they want good movies and good content. If they are giving you that much of love and respect to come into the theatre, it should be worth their time and money, is how I started judging the scripts now.
Are you a gaming enthusiast in real life too?
Used to be in 90s in my school, college. I used to play Mario, Pac-Man, Contra, all these Need for Speed and all that in my school, college. After that I didn't.
Any of those memories that helped?
Yeah, I mean, I was playing actually in between the shots. I was playing Mario and Contra and all these games. Old vintage console undi akkada actually. They actually sourced a lot of these old vintage, you know, the 500 in 1 all auntie games, cassettes and all that. I actually played with that in between the shots because it was lying there. So might as well play and have fun in between the shots. As it is, it's very mentally exhausting to do this film. So in between shots, I used to play this. In between the shots, I used to play Ludo. I used to do all these relaxing things in between shots.
Did it take time for you to come out of the character once again?
Yeah, it took me after, actually in between Majjalo Kuda, I went for when I used to get 1 off in 10 days. I used to not stay alone, stay with my friends. Don't spend time alone. Watch funny comedy movies in between every day. Don't watch anything serious. After 35 days of shoot non-stop, one scheduled film only. So after 35 days, I went for holiday, 6-7 days holiday, totally disconnect from this part of my life, and I came back. 90% I was fine, 10% it does not leave you. Most of these characters I cannot get out 100%, and that's the price you pay to be an actor, and that's okay.
Now you are into 100 crores with Badla. Will it make a more responsibility?
Yeah, but I want more responsibility. I want people to expect good movies out of me. Expectations lekunda, I always say expectations lekunda kicke ledu. Otherwise, what's the point? You keep making films, people don't, people come and watch, it's okay, don't watch also, it's okay. No, I want them to expect something good, interesting, new out of my films. So if 100 crore club helps it, then please, I will try and get as many films in 100 crores. But Badla was a big surprise, Andarki actually. Never thought that film can get this much of critical and commercial love together. Because we thought, okay, 30-40 crores, I'm happy. Even Bachchan Sen and I used to discuss, oh, 30-40 crores is very good, we are like in full profit. It will cross these big numbers, nobody thought. So that gave us a lot of confidence that Eppudu actually audience is ready to get their brain into theatres and watch the film, not just for laughing and songs and all that, for just enjoying the thrill and entertainment is also about how engaging, how involved our audience in your story. And this story will keep you like totally hooked. If Badla you like, you will 100% like this.
So Amitabh se shot se party ho gayi.
Actually, I was in UP and shooting for my other film, and this conversation was going on, party. I was thinking, I will send cake to both of them. Please stop asking for party, or please wait till I come back. So no, I was not there for 2 months after Badla released. I don't know if they celebrated or no. I celebrated there in UP. I was having a great time with all the messages, love. Actually, I think वापस आने के बाद भी I came back, and I came back to some really beautiful messages, love from people for Badla. I think ఇప్పుడు కూడా media friends తో కలిసి I get to know how much everyone really liked Badla. A lot of big confidence booster.
So you worked with Amitabh in 2 movies. How was the experience?
Actually, it felt like the first movie only. Like one continuity, like one schedule over second schedule. There's one gap in the schedule. It feels like that only. Now again, it will feel like that when I meet him. Now pressure is slightly more. Now we have to deliver like a hat trick. Now the stress is there, but feeling with him is the same. I don't feel like he is the Amitabh Bachchan. I behave with him like I will behave with Abhishek or anyone else who's my co-star, and he loves that.
Doing the solo character film, is it more challenging to engage a viewer? Because, I mean, you will be the only
It's a real test of an actor. If you are, like in Hindi we say na, doodh ka doodh, pani ka pani, it will happen. So you will get to know if you can stand my performance, if I can hold you as an actor for 2 hours, or no, it will be my real test. You have no option, you have to only see me. For 95% of the film, you'll have to only see me. So my big test. Actually, last 2 years nunchi, most of my films are such, even Badla lo kuda, I had more screen space actually. Because Flashback also, I was there, Bachchan sir was not there. So I'm used to shooting for a large number of days. But this is like overdose of me for 100 minutes. Actually looking for different role, looking for 2 heroine film. I wanted to do a 2 heroine film, 2 or 3, whichever I get. I was searching for that script. I went and reached out that because I got to know they have a 2 heroine script. I did not know what the 2 heroines are, 2 old ladies. I did not know. I was searching for a 2 heroine script, and I got to know that they have it. I reached out. They said, okay, we'll make you here. I loved it. And they were very surprised that I liked it because I have to play 60-65-year-old. They actually had asked a few actresses and they had said no, and they were very surprised that I'm wanting to hear it, do it, and saying yes to it immediately. I like experiments.
Throw some light on your storyline.
For this, sir, story to you'll have to watch in theatre.
Concept.
Concept is house invasion thriller. As I said, ఇప్పటి వరకు ఇండియన్ సినిమాలో యాక్చువల్లీ తీయలేదు ఇలాంటి కాన్సెప్ట్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైమ్ యూ వాచింగ్ ఇట్. It's also got to do with, there are so many layers actually. In trailer, we have only touched 2 layers, house invasion and anniversary reaction. Then there are some more layers in the film which you will see in the theatre. But house invasion is one big part of the film which makes it different from everything else you have seen till now, which you would not have experienced before in theatre.
Today's youth, everyone are playing games.
Yeah.
What you?
I think today's youth will connect a lot because of that. Even shooting kuda, the style of shooting of the house invasion is like a game. So you will feel like you are actually your protagonist is actually a character in the video game, and you feel like, you know how you feel when you're playing a video game, how the character moves. The cinematography and the shot taking is like that you will feel that you're actually playing a game and this character is your player.
There is a Hollywood film, Player One.
I don't know, sir, but no, none of those concepts are true. None of those Hollywood films also this is the concept, because it's a very Indian story. It cannot have a Hollywood link. It has no Hollywood, Korean, no link.
Actually, you're not only doing quality films, but you're doing it like you're doing 4 films a year, and you're doing it at a good pace actually.
Yeah.
So balancing that quantity and quality, and how is that?
No, good. By God's grace, I've been getting some really good scripts. So it's not difficult to choose at all. Now it's like, I can very easily, happily choose 3-4 films in a year and do it. Just that you get overworked sometimes. But I have decided till the time all my films in a year do really well, only then I will think of reducing it. Otherwise, I really want to do 4 films every year.
More than Akshay Kumar in a year.
Oh, Akshay Kumar sir, and if I reach half of his achievement also, I will retire. He is too much.
How was Tollywood film reacting to your success story in Bollywood?
Oh, they are very sweet. Yeah, I'll tell you, Rana released my Telugu trailer. He called me up after that. He messaged me, and he's always been in touch with me whenever my trailer released, and he always tells me it is so exciting to see what you are doing. I'm so proud of you, and every time there is something that you release, I really look forward to seeing what it is, because there's something new and different in it. He's been very vocal and very supportive. Likewise, there's so many others who watch my Hindi films also and then message me after seeing my Hindi films that they really liked it. So they've been very sweet. I call this entertaining. It will keep you hooked for 2 hours. 100 minutes story, 100 minutes film. You will not feel like looking at your phone also. So that is entertainment. I get these scripts in Telugu also. So that's why I'm able to do every year 1 film. I'm going to do 1 film at least every year. Yeah.
Are you missing the regular commercial masala?
Little bit, yes, but no, not that much. I'll tell you what, definition of commercial film has changed. Now I can become glamorous in a good story film also. So that change has happened. So I don't mind doing a glamorous role, but there should be something in the story also. Then I'll do it.
Are you completely say no for the Nach Gaane and
No, I want to Nach Gana. I'm like Nach Gana, but then Nach Gana should have some story also in it. No,
flowers and fruits?
anything, flowers, fruits, anything. That reminds me, I have to meet sir also after this. I have to meet him also, huh? So yeah, so I have to do all of this. But at the same time, it should not be like, if you take my character out of the story is not changing. It should not be like that.
Did you get a lot of commercial films after Judwa too? I mean, did you get...
No, honestly no. In Hindi, no. They don't want me to do all this. They only give me films to act. So what
Good for you.
Yeah, good. Actually, I'll tell you very honestly, there are so many beautiful girls there who are very good dancers, very gorgeous, very good looking, and they are doing very well in this kind of films. So it's safe option to take them, because they are genuinely very good at these kind of films. So it takes out of the box thinking to cast someone like me in that kind of film. David sir knows me because he launched me in Hindi. So he knows what, and he's seen a lot of my South films. So he knows what I can do in commercial cinema. But not everybody can see like that, no? That's that.
What difference do you find working in Bollywood and Tollywood, especially for commercial?
The number of options for me is more there because of language. But if I think Ikra, I get options, but not as many because of the language limitation. Because I'm still, no matter how much I'm trying, and I would love to continue to be a Telugu Amma, but I can't be 100% that I can only be close, but I cannot be 100%. So that is why I might not get as many options here as in Hindi. But yeah, slowly, at least I'm not complaining. I'm still telling you, I'm now getting some really good scripts here. Number of options is less, number of scripts is less, but I am getting some really interesting stuff from them.
Please share about your role in Demo.
Video game programmer, video game designer. So she designs with high-tech modern video games, but plays vintage, old Pac-Man, Mario kind of video games.
You have been more into crime thriller, but why not into light-hearted ones?
No, I've only done, this is my third thriller in my career. I did, I don't even think I should call it a crime thriller, but Naam Shibana was an action thriller. Baby was action thriller, same franchise. And then Badla was murder mystery. Before this, I did Manmarziyan, which was a love story. Before that, I did Mulk, which was a courtroom drama. Before that, I did Surma, which was again a sports biopic. It's not that much. I did Neer Avro, which was again a con thriller, they call it. So I think I've tried to change the genre. Light-hearted means comedy. I would love to do comedy. But comedy with like no significant role for me to do, I can't do. So yeah.
How happy you are to see Pink being remade in the South?
I am very happy. It usually happens other way around. South films get remade in Hindi all the time. Very few Hindi films get remade in South, so I am very proud.
Weren't you approached for it because you have
No, I was not approached for it. Nobody called me for it. And thank God nobody called me for it because I don't want to do Meenal Arora again. Too mentally exhausting. I don't want to do it again.
Mother is Rafta?
Mission
Like
Mother.
scientist in that?
Yes. Nitya is getting launched in Hindi. Yeah, that's going to be a very beautiful film, real story. 5 female actresses and Akshay sir together. What a wonderful frame to look at. I did that film for that. Let's see, 15th August.
15 August.
Yes.
Okay.
As a heroine, you are not in the competition track.
Yeah.
You are making own.
Yeah, sir.
Is it a competition?
Yeah, sir. I was tired of number 1, 2, 3. And everybody telling me, no, you are 3, 2, no, not 1, some 1. I was like, what is this race? I was like, I'll make a separate track. I'm the only one running in that track. Alone. Yeah, it is safe, no, it is no competition stress. You're alone running in your track.
Is there any extension to Naam Shabana?
I asked Neeraj sir the same question. I said everybody is asking me this because of action, because I really want to do action also again. And he said, yeah, we'll think about it. But I want to do one action film soon. I think it's been quite some time.
Any more films in Telugu?
I have heard again. I have finalized one in Tamil, which I'm going to start after this releases. But I've heard 1 or 2 more in Telugu, which is going to happen. But every year I'll have one for sure.
Are you happy confining yourself to acting, or is there any want to get into production space to?
No, not right now, because production needs like someone who will be able to handle 100% the on-ground work. I cannot do that because of my acting. So if I find a partner or someone who I feel I can trust and who can handle this kind of on-ground work, then I can give it a
have
try.
certain plans.
And right now, no.
How are you confident that Ashwin Saravanan could handle a subject like this? Because not all such scripts get translated on screen the same way. Right?
Have you seen Mayuri?
I've seen, but yes.
He's brilliant. I have not seen it together. I've seen it in parts because I can't see horror films, very scared. But I've seen his work. He's brilliant, and his writing is also like outstanding, international standard of writing. The moment I saw bits of Maya, I read the script, I was 100% sure this guy will be able to do whatever he's written. He's done better only, whatever he's written. I've seen the film, It's better than what I read.
Talking about the hospital in the Tollywood recently, you don't get that kind of treatment in other languages.
Sir, I'll tell you what, people here are so passionate about cinema. Hindi audience like cinema but is not this crazy about cinema. People in South are crazy and passionate about cinema. Like every Friday it's a ritual to watch a film here, which is not a thing there. If they find it interesting, they'll go. But it's not like they wait for a new release coming up there. So that is because of this love. The love towards actors is more, which is the difference, which I always say is the difference here and there.
Actually, working in film is like another question, and Sudhai goes, and does it help you become, does it help you to own your craft better?
Oh yeah, of course. I'm a director's actor. They are like my biggest support system, wind beneath my wings to help me go higher and higher, give me more confidence in my craft. They are big reason for me to be what the kind of actor I am today.
How would you overcome this nepotism kind of things in your career?
No, I'm not overcome. I'm still fighting that. No, but that happens. It's a rule of the game. You have to accept it. It will happen. Now you cannot sit and complain about it. You have to live with it and make your way with it.
Are you compromising that?
Sorry?
Are you compromising that?
Compromising in the sense? In what way?
Nepotism kind of thing.
No, I'm okay with it now. I mean, I knew about it from the beginning only that this is going to happen. So it's not a surprise. I knew it will happen. It is happening. So I'm fine with it. Even if in any other profession you go, parents will always try to push their kids into it. No, not this, some other profession. So it will happen. I'm okay. I made my way through.
I read in the interview, you brought a car, you brought your house, what next?
What? I'm not buying a plane. No.
You are hinting at your marriage.
No, I'm not getting married also. No, please. I have no plans of getting married. I will get married when I have plans of starting a family. When I'm ready to have a kid is when I will think of starting a family and getting married. But before that, I don't want to.